The 2010 Golf steering lock is jammed. We're going to change out the ignition lock housing. Quick way to get it to turn. You should probably disconnect the battery before doing this.
T25, you pop off the top cover.
Yep, pop the top cover. T25, T25, T25. You're gonna take a punch, pointy punch.
Yep.
Through the hole here.
Yep.
You're trying to put a little indentation in it to just turn it. Then you take your punch and you use the friction of the punch to spin it to try to get it out.
I see what you're doing.
Yeah.
Surprised they don't sell a tool to like kind of grip it.
They do, but it doesn't really fit in this hole. Clock the steering wheel.
Yep. And you're popping the airbag?
Yep. Pop the airbag out. This car doesn't want to cooperate at all.
Just the spring you gotta compress.
I'll show you. Okay. Straighten the wheel back out. Be off.
Let's see if I can get it. The dot right there, dead center of the wheel. And there's a line on the steering wheel, and that's how you get it back to where it was.
Got like a T10 Torx here.
Huh?
Pull straight down on that.
Yep.
Pop off the clock spring. Don't let that move. Okay.
This one's a lot harder.
Yeah, and you just give it a release. Show them the tabs up here.
Tabs on the other side. The where?
I'm gonna get out. They're right here. You'll see them.
Okay. Tabs. Right in there.
Put it in the cylinder. Turn it. Index it. This little dot here needs to line up with the divot here. Take a paper clip.
What is that doing?
I'll show you.
You're just reading the car here?
No, I'll show you. No need to ask. Once it goes in there, just gotta wiggle it. Wiggle the key, wiggle the paper clip. That comes out. What's happening is this lock. That's what's holding it in. Is this lock. So when you hit this position, when it's actually in the cylinder, you're able to put this through and close the lock so you can take the lock cylinder out. Take your lock cylinder. New lock cylinders come with the key in the on position. So leave the lock in, put it in there. There you go. Swap over the key lock solenoid. This is what stops the key from being able to be taken out while driving. Pop her in. Put the rear coil, plug that in first. Just gonna rock it into the clips.
Security pins?
Yep. They'll just break off when they're good and ready. Pop your clock spring back on. Steering column, electronics module back on.
G10.
Torques. Maybe I should be a T8. Let me just check. That's a T8, but it felt a little loose. It's a T9.
T9.
T9. Line them up.
So the line in that center wheel and the dot on
Dot
the
and the
stud.
line. You should probably disconnect the battery before doing this.
Yeah, definitely disconnect.
Get that back in there nice. Okay, there you go.